Hello everyone, welcome to Linux from Scratch tutorials for beginners. Are you a Linux lover? Is your career as related to system admin? Are you a hacker? Have you ever imagined to create your own operating system? Are you a beginner with interest in learning Linux and how it works? Well, then this video is for you. You don't need to be an expert in Linux to understand the concepts discussed here. This video is for beginners who would like to learn Linux from scratch. Note: basic knowledge of Bash or Windows command prompt is recommended. I'd suggest you to install Ubuntu Linux on virtual machine or dual boot with your existing operating system. Before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon, so that you won't miss any future videos. Please watch the video till end. Life will be boring without challenges, isn't it? I decided to take a productive challenge for myself, so I've decided to learn Linux from scratch. Linux from Scratch (LFS) is a project that provides you with step-by-step instructions for building your own custom Linux system, entirely from source code. Isn't it a great challenge for a beginner? Well, I'm not a beginner, but not an expert in Linux. But I hope in the end of my challenge, I'll be an expert in Linux. I'll be uploading videos frequently, you can watch it to understand quickly and practice yourself. Linux from Scratch book is free to download, I've given its link in description below. Are you ready to become a Linux expert? Well, Rome is not built in one day, similarly you could not become expert in anything tonight. Okay, let's get into our topic. I'm a Windows user. I learned basics of Linux by searching internet, but I faced many problems at beginning. I've used Ubuntu Linux for the first time, and I felt harder to install a wireless driver in it. In Windows, it's very simple to install a driver by using Device Manager. And Linux has different file system, I was totally confused at beginning. In Ubuntu Linux I simply use apt-get install to install packages, but I have no idea that where my software is installed. In Windows the extracted files are stored in local drive C, program files directory. At last I came to point that it was not fair to learn fragmented contents from internet. So I decided to learn Linux completely from beginning. After reading many articles, I've planned to learn Linux from scratch. One of the questions many people raise is, why go through all the hassle of manually building a Linux system from scratch when you can just download and install an existing one? One of the best things that this learning experience can provide is the ability to customize a Linux system to suit your own unique needs. For example, if you are a system admin of a company, you have given a task to configure a web server in a system, you have to choose an operating system for the web server. Probably it would be Linux. But you just need Apache server and some essential softwares in it. By default Linux operating system has lots of tools that you may not need. It may occupy space and reduce performance of the server. If you understand Linux completely, you can customize the distribution according to your need. Another key benefit of LFS is that it allows you to have more control over the system without relying on someone else's Linux implementation. With LFS, you are in the driver's seat and dictate every aspect of the system. In the end, education is by far the most powerful of reasons. As you continue in your LFS experience, you will discover the power that information and knowledge truly bring. I hope you understood that why LFS project is important. Let's discuss and learn about requirements of LFS in next video. There we will be seeing some important and easy concepts. Before that I recommend you to install Ubuntu Linux, either in virtual machine or dual boot. If you like this video please like it, if you have any doubts, please comment it below, share this video with your friends. Are you ready to take LFS challenge with me? Well, then subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.